Even when we talk about freedom, nobody can really grasp what is that word. If you don't live it, if you are not seated in that state of calmness, if you are not seated into that state of bliss and joy, you don't understand what is freedom. You like the idea, you like the word freedom. That's why you will see idiot people always take a flag, peace. This is foolishness. Only foolish people will do that. They know clearly, but they are not at peace. They know clearly, but they are not happy. But yet, because everybody is singing the same anthem, they take the flag. That flag is not toward the outside. That flag is about you. You have to become peaceful. You have to become glorious. You have to shine that light. You have to become calm. That divine quality will surface itself only when you have work upon yourself. Otherwise, no. It's just an idea.